Dear friends, welcome to Joe's Simple Kitchen. Today we are going to make Indian potato curry, potato fry in instant pot. We have 4 medium-sized potato cut it into small pieces, finely chopped, not finely like this size. It's going to be cooked faster if you cut it like this. We have it in water because if we expose it, the cut potato exposed to water, exposed to air, will turn it into brown. If you put it in water, it won't turn it into brown. We have half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of split urad dal, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and chili powder. And what we have is 4 curry leaves. These are the ingredients. We are going to add salt to that. Let's start the process. Set the instant pot to saute mode. Once it's set, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, at least 2 to 3, because we are going to fry it. When it is getting hot, we can remove the water and make it dry with a kitchen cloth. Once the oil is hot, we will start adding one by one. First, mustard seeds goes in, followed by urad dal. So it's going to take 30 seconds to fry this. Now the urad dal, mustard seeds are fried. Add curry leaves. It adds aroma. Now add the potato, chopped potato. Fry it, mix it well. Like I said, this needs little more oil. 3 tablespoons of oil. We are going to cook this in instant pot. You can use the lid, but without the whistle. This will be cooked so fast. So put on the lid, but make sure we don't need to pressure cook this, so remove the whistle. So once in 2 minutes, you are going to remove the lid and stir. Then we add salt. Half a teaspoon of salt. You can add as per your taste. Turmeric, chili powder, and that's it. Potato fry would be ready. Once in 2 minutes, open the lid, stir it well. It's almost cooked. It needs to be cooked for another 2 minutes, then we can remove the lid, cook it for a few more minutes, add the ingredients. Make sure instant pot is in saute mode all the time. You can increase the timer if required. Like I said, we don't use the whistle. It's cooked. Now stir well, keep stirring. We don't need to put the lid anymore. We just fry. Add turmeric, red chili powder, salt, and if you have asafoetida, a pinch, just one small pinch. This is not a must. If you like masala taste, you can add curry powder, but you don't need to. This is simple potato fry. Goes very well with the dal fry, jeera rice, rasam rice, lemon rice and all. We are going to fry this for another 3-4 minutes to get a crispy exterior. Make sure it's coated very well, evenly. Indian potato fry is ready. Almost potato fry is ready. It's golden color. Simple Indian potato fry cooked in instant pot. Instant pot potato fry. Yummy and delicious. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.